A group of parents has filed a complaint with Bali police over alleged irregularities in the operation of an educational institution identified as ES, a school reportedly managed by PTECB and the AAE Foundation in PEJENG KANGIN, GIANYAR Regency. The complaint centers on alleged discrepancies between the school's promotional claims and the actual conditions of its educational operations, including issues related to legal status, licensing, education quality and claims of international affiliations. Bayu Pradana, a lawyer representing the parents from Malkat Hukam International Law Firm, said during a press conference in Canggu on May 13, 2026, that the report stemmed from concerns raised by parents of kindergarten and elementary school students who believed the school's marketing did not reflect conditions on the ground.
Terhadap satu sekolah, spesifiknya lokasinya di GIANYAR Bali, diduga ada ketidaksesuaian terkait operasional, perizinan, yang hal tersebut menjadi keresahan.
According to the legal team, the institution had been promoted as an international school affiliated with several globally recognized institutions. However, after classes began, parents allegedly discovered inconsistencies involving the quality of teaching staff and the school's legal standing. The lawyers also alleged the school had yet to obtain an operational permit for its elementary school program. Clarification letters had been sent to several government agencies regarding the matter. Based on a March 13, 2026 response from the GIANYAR Education Office, ES had never submitted an application seeking a recommendation to establish an elementary school. For its kindergarten program, the school had submitted a recommendation request, but field verification reportedly found several administrative and technical shortcomings, preventing the issuance of an operational permit recommendation. The allegations also extended to zoning and building permit issues. According to a March 10, 2026 letter from the GIANYAR Public Works and Spatial Planning Agency, parts of the land area were not covered under spatial utilization approval documents, while several buildings allegedly lacked mandatory building approvals and operational feasibility certificates.
Sehingga informasi tersebutlah yang kemudian menjadi dasar utama untuk klien kami melakukan pertimbangan dan juga akhirnya memutuskan untuk mempercayakan pendidikan anak-anak mereka kepada ES.
Berdasarkan surat resmi tersebut dapat dipahami bahwa sampai dengan tanggal 13 Maret 2026 ES belum.
The parents, through their legal representatives, said they had submitted a public complaint to Bali Police under registration number Dumas 794/V/2026/SPKT/Polda Bali. The complaint cited alleged violations of Article 62 paragraph 1 in conjunction with Article 71 of Indonesia's 2003 National Education System Law, which carries a maximum penalty of 10 years imprisonment and or a fine of up to 1 billion rupiah.
Sebagaimana dalam surat tanda bukti lapor pengaduan masyarakat nomor Dumas 794/5/2026/SPKT/Polda Bali terkait adanya dugaan tindak pidana.
The legal team urged relevant authorities to conduct an objective, professional and transparent investigation to ensure all educational activities comply with Indonesian law. They also called on all parties to uphold the presumption of innocence and provide room for clarification from ES and other related parties in accordance with legal procedures. Rai Sawantara and Eddie, Bali TV.